Hello and welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie and today I'm going to be doing some Valentine's Day design. For my first design, I'm going to use Simplicity on the top of the tips, and I'm going to apply 2 coats and cure 30 seconds. Now I'm going to apply my second coat and cure again for 30 seconds. For this design, I pick cashmere, ballet shoes, dusky plum and sour cherry. Before working with those colors, I'm gonna remove the sticky layer with some gel residue wipe off solution. With the detailing brush, I'm gonna pick some product and I'm gonna draw the lips and flash cure. I'm going to do the bottom and flash cure again. And we're going to do the same with all of these 4 shades and flash cure. To sealing my design, I'm gonna apply the Urban Graffiti top coat and cure for a whole minute. For my second design, I'm going to apply Serious Black. I'm gonna do 2 coats and cure each one 30 seconds. Now the second coat. Don't forget to cut the free edge. I'm going to remove the sticky layer with some gel residue wipe off solution on lint free pad. I'm going to be using the foil glue, so a little bit on my palette. So as we did with our first design, I'm going to draw some lip and I'm going to flash cure. And flash cure. In the meantime, I'm going to prep my foil. So I need to clean the back of the paper, take some gel residue wipe off solution and wipe all of the back. To seal the design, I'm going to use the Urban Graffiti top coat and cure for a whole minute. For my last design, I'm gonna work with Snow White in the background and cure for 30 seconds. Before I apply the second coat, I'm going to be using Simplicity, Cashmere and Dusky Plum. Now I'm going to apply my second coat. Be generous with this second coat and don't cure yet. Pick the first color, place it on the top of the nail and the other one in the center and the third one again. I clean the brush each time I change the color. And now I'm going to make my heart and flash cure. I'm going to add some small heart. And cure for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to seal my design with the Urban Graffiti top coat. Here is the finished design. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. All the products used in this video are in the description box down below. Until next time, happy Valentine's and au revoir!